welcome back everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today, by the way, this is my first time doing the unboxing episode. So I'll be doing the unboxing of my Osmo Mobile 2. So this is my first ever gimbal. I ever have a gimbal. So I bought the Osmo Mobile 2 and I will be unboxing it today for you. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So starting with the box, let's see, it's hard to open. So starting with the box, you'll get the Osmo Mobile 2 warranty card. There you go. And the instruction manual. You have to set plastic there. That's what holds it. There. Okay. And black styrofoam case. This is the black styrofoam case. This one. Box here, and inside we have the Osmo Mobile 2. Ooh. Yes, and we have silica gel and the USB cable. It's a micro USB cable. I think it's used to charge the Osmo Mobile 2. So guys, that's it. Anything else? Actually, this version allows you to mount your phone horizontally and vertically. So okay, so to turn on your OM2, just press this button. Yep, there you go. So if you're going to balance your phone, make sure that the OM2 is turned on. Make sure your phone goes all the way to the right. So let's see how we balance. How do we balance this? Just
moments later. More moments later.
there you go. You know that it's stable if it stays put. It has a contoured grip. See this one for ergonomic feel. If you're gonna hold this, which again helps when using the device for too long, so it's easier to hold, right? On the right, we have here the micro USB port, which you can charge your small mobile to with. This one. So this part here, and on the other side, we have the zoom button. You can zoom in, zoom out without touching your phone. So let's turn it on. Powered on if the lights here are all stable. It's green and stable. So we have here the power button, and this is the joystick that allows you to control your Osmo Mobile 2 from left to right, up and down. And you have here the record button, this one. So you can hit this button and it will start recording without touching your phone. Also for the modes, we have here the mode button. So if you want to reset your Osmo Mobile, just push it like that. I think there's another function for this, but I forgot. Let's try. So if I hit once, oh, it will lock. See that? It will lock your Osmo Mobile. See? And if I hit it again, the M button, so it will follow you your wherever you point the gimbal to. See? So let's lock it again. And at the bottom we have here, this is the, I think, yeah, at the bottom we have the quarter screw mount, where you can use it to mount your tripods. So for me, I have a big tripod, and I have here a small one. So I'm not sure it's going to hold it, but hopefully it does. It's from my old phone. But for this one, yes, you can use any. I think it's a standard quarter screw mount, so because you can use it on any of your tripods if you have. Guys, if you have this, if you have a tripod, you can use the active track. I find the active track very useful for the Osmo Mobile 2 because it will remain in a fixed position while it's gonna follow you around while you're moving. You have a USB port here. This one. You can use this part to charge your phone. Yes, you heard me right. You can charge your phone and use it as just like your power bank here. So when charging the Osmo Mobile 2, you can charge this for like 2 to 3 hours. And then the charge or the battery lasts for about 15 hours. To connect, just download the DJI Go app. Turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and just follow the on-screen instructions. Watch out for more videos. Next time, I'm gonna use my Osmo Mobile 2. Don't forget to hit and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe on my videos.